In Ireland's arms, where green hills gleam, a whisper of winter, a fleeting dream. Snowflakes dance on the crests of old, a rare embrace, a joy untold. Where the ropes once swayed with laughter low, now boards carve arcs in the quiet snow. Each turn a trill, a heartbeat's race, as mountains don their white lace grace. Beneath the sky, so vast and blue, the shimmering slopes unveil their view. That which is seldom so cherished and bright turns Ireland's peaks into pure delight. For in these moments the wild winds sing a harmony forged in the chill of spring. So let the mountains with their snowy crown remind us that wonders in what's seldom found. An rud is Annamh is Iontach.
On the Galtees, not bad at all.
Fair play.